Welcome to Replay Lifeon's channel. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi's Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P.
3-layer of protection, bubble pack, carton box pack and main product box. This robot gives a modern pro cleaning and smart solution. We ordered through mi.com online store. We received the pack through Blue Dot Courier on the next day of order. Contents on the left side of the box. Product images, its main features on front and back face. More features on the right side. Unpacking the main product. Let's see what are all the items we received. Product box, Mi Robot, charging dock, AC power adapter, 2-in-1 dust compartment, 2 numbers of side brush, mop holder with pad, additional mop pad, user manual and warranty card. Let's have closer look of the robot and its accessories. This is the docking station and recharging of device. Docking station powered by an AC adapter. The side brush used to sweep the dust towards the vacuum suction. You can see the dust collector already installed. A cleaning tool with sharp blade. A roller wheel in front, side brush in front, 2 main wheels of the robot. Cleaning brush in center. Mi Robot is with elegant design and looks amazing. Docking station has a compressible terminals for easy and automatic docking. Mop holder with pad. 2-in-1 dust compartment. User manual with the pictographical representation. In upcoming videos we will see the features and working of the product. Thanks for watching.